is stuck, okay? Unless you have, okay.
We
Let's
could
say,
do rot.
let's
we
say,
could actually do ROT and not toy. Keep the Y there. We could do ROT this way. Because if the U comes out and the A comes out, we can do a word with the Q.
okay. I think is a small chance. Oh, that's even
tough.
worse, right? No
Yeah.
vowels. Yeah.
If we had an S, oh, why don't we try to add on somewhere here?
Yeah, Q is blocking. No matter how you do it, you can't use the Q, you're dead, right? So this...
Oh, but if we can take words off here to put in, we can still have a chance to
True.
open up.
That's true. Mm-hmm. Troy, toy.
Is that W-R-O-T?
No.
Rot?
No, wort. W-O-R-T, right? Isn't it wort? Wort? Oh, that's W-A-R-T. Wort. Okay. I can do this. Liked. Okay? So one more letter. U. Oh, gosh. Another T. Okay. T.
So if we can't make any more words, what happens?
That means this is solitaire game is like this. You challenge yourself. Then you count how many words you have. If you want, interested, you can pad and say, okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 17 words. Each word, you can count the score, okay, like the zone 13, this one, and with the bonus. It's a, a learning game and then self-amusing, sort of a game.
Right.
And you keep a score. This time you have 17 words. Next time you see you'll get 20 words. How many points? If you had a real good hand, you should keep a record. Say, wow, I got 800 points for how many words for a deck of cards, right? So that's fundamentally the idea of the game. All right.
All right.
Okay, let's put this card away. Now, this is open pyramid. Now, by implication, the closed pyramid, okay, is similar, except the cards are covered, okay? So that definitely makes it a little harder because you cannot see the cards ahead of time. What's covered underneath, and that gives you a tougher sort of a game and a more challenge. But sometimes it's more fun because you have the unknown there. And basically, you would put your cards like this, except the last row, okay? So that's a closed pyramid structure. And this has a lot more luck involved because you cannot see, and therefore you hope.
Don't you open this one?
Oh yes, the 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, you're right. Although we can play deeper pyramid. Okay, now A, O. Okay? So
you open 3 cards too?
yes, definitely. This is the lifesaver cards.
Yep,
You
ready.
need them.
Over this one.
Okay. SRDR. Okay, now.
So do you try to make the longest word possible? Is that the strategy?
Of course,
Okay.
so that you can open up
Okay.
letters, right? So in this case, the longer you do, the better you
Maybe
are.
we could do nursery, you think? N-U-R-S.
No R, you do need a double R, right?
Okay. So we'll do nurse. N-U-R-S-E.
Mm-hmm. You can do that.
And then later you could add to nursery.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Shall we do that?
Mm-hmm.
N U R S E.
Okay.
Nurse. Okay. Very good strategy, because if you do have R again, you can do
R
nursery.
and a Y, and then you can do nursery.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a very good
All right.
strategy.
So now you open what's underneath.
Right.
Okay.
Now you can open whenever that is uncovered. Okay. Now you have
And then we open one more here.
card, B.
Okay. All right.
Okay. See, this one is partially covered, so you cannot really open, right? So you now have 6 cards plus the 3, so you have 9 cards to
Okay.
do. But this time you have more vowels.
You
Okay.
got A's and you got also 2 D's. All right.
It's not necessarily any better.
Maybe we can do a board A, B, O. Oh, we don't have an R. Okay.
Yeah. You can. You can certainly do body to get rid of Y and O and D. All right. And D is double too. So that may be not too bad. B O
D-Y.
D Y.
Okay.
But we have A. A is not bad because we always need a vowel. Oh, not 3 A's. My goodness. Uh-oh.
Wait, we also open one more card here.
Right. Oh, boy.
Okay.
So,
Sand. Sand. Yeah, take away one of the A. Let me see.
sand. Huh?
Yep.
Sand. How about sea?
But you want to get rid of the A.
Right. Seed rather than sand. S-E-A-D.
What's S-E-A-D?
Huh? Oh, sorry. C. Double E. No, C. I mean, C. You don't have to use D to get rid of that. Or sand. Let's see. Sand, get rid of 1 A. This A can open up 2 cards. Right?
7 minutes left?
Okay, 7 minutes. So
7 minutes.
let's say we do,
Let's just do sand.
okay, S-A-N-D.
Okay.
So get rid of this, and we can open 2 cards.
7 minutes left.
O, D again, N, H, and H. Oh boy, double H. We can do heap, right? H-E-A-P. Heap maybe is not bad, huh?
Or head. We could also do head. A head. A-H-E-A-D. A head.
Oh, very good. That freed up more cards. All right. Ahead.
Good. So we'll put
Okay.
it up there. So we open these cards now. All right.
Yes. Open this, open that, and one more card. T. Oh,
Okay.
not so good. Cry. We have to cry. There's a U here. That's only vowels, right? Try, cry. Huh. Well, cut. Try. Pry.
Well, we could get rid of the Y if you wanted with the nursery. Remember, we said we could do the R and the Y
Oh,
to make
yeah,
nursery.
do it. Go ahead.
Should we do
Because
that?
we can always do put,
Yeah.
cut.
Nursery.
There's
right
other
up there.
words here, and open
Okay.
that letter.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, but
Oh, another R. Kurt. You can do Kurt.
Or
Hurt.
crump.
Hurt.
Crump. C-R-U-M-P.
B or P?
P. Crump.
Crumb. You mean crumbs?
Crump, like
Cram?
when you crumple. Crump.
Crumb?
Is that such a word?
Cramp? Crump? I don't know.
Let's see. Send ahead.
Well, I think maybe we just do hurt.
Okay. H-U-R-T. Good.
And
Alright.
we open up one car and two more letters. This car you open.
Okay. So we have
E.
E.
Mhm.
Okay.
Coupe. Is a coupe spelled two ways, C-O-U-P and C-O-P?
C-O-U-P.
Mm-hmm.
I think P is like the car.
Yeah. Corpse. Coupe.
But don't you want to leave your E there?
Huh? I
No?
don't know. I think
Alright.
chances having vowel is pretty good. We've got so many cards to open.
Okay. So we open these two?
Yeah. Oh, no
All right.
vowels.
We have 15 minutes.
Aya, aya,
See, that's why it's leave your E
aya,
there.
ha, ha, ha. Ooh. Couple. All right. T. Aya. 15 seconds. Minutes. Okay. All right. MTT.
So we have to kind of use it in these words here then.
Right. Uh-oh. Not so good. All right. See? Obviously, the closed pyramid is a harder game. Okay? Because you have no idea what the car is like. And you really have to, based on a little bit of luck, how the sequence of letters that come up. Okay? And the words we made, like nurse is good idea to say for nursery, but ahead wasn't, because it's very hard to change that ahead to something that as a new word. So generally when you play this game, you try to make the words that extensible into longer word, because to anticipate what things may come up when you're stuck. Like this case, if you can use T and F, perhaps save you. You know, sometimes one car can save your life. Okay, if F is used, and this opens up is another vowel, you can make it word and so on, right? Then it goes on. So now we're stuck, right? So this hand, we only have 5, 6 words. Okay? All right. So that's closed pyramid. Now, as I said, there's many solitaire game. There's another game called Hit Alphabet, which we can do quickly since we only have a few minutes time left. The hit alphabet is this, particularly for younger kids. You basically open cards one at a time and recite alphabet. For young kids, for example, you say A, B,
You want to push it?
C, right? When you do this, when you open a card, happen to be the same letter as what you just said, then that's a hit, okay? The hit alphabet. When that is hit, the whole deck can be removed, okay? Now, if you can finish your whole set like this, and eventually nothing left, you win. Now, when you go through alphabet like this, okay, and you also have a variation to continue on, because obviously when you do this,